Ancient Carthage was an ancient civilization empire based in North Africa. By 300 BC, Carthage controlled the largest territory in the region, including the coast of northwestern Africa, southern and eastern Iberia, and the islands of Sicily, Sardinia, Corsica, Malta, and the Balearic Islands. Among the ancient world's largest and richest cities, Carthage's strategic location provided access to abundant fertile land and major maritime trade routes. As the dominant power in the Western Mediterranean, Carthage came into conflict with many neighbours and rivals, from the Berbers of North Africa to the Roman Republic. Centuries of conflict with Rome resulted in the Punic Wars, which were between 264 BC to 146 BC, and it saw some of the largest and most sophisticated battles in history. During the Second Punic War, Carthage narrowly avoided destruction, but were eventually destroyed by the Romans in 146 BC after the Third Punic War, and the Romans later founded a new city in its place. Unlike the conflict of the Punic Wars with Rome, the conflict between Carthage and the Greeks centred on economic concerns, as each side sought to advance their own commercial interests and influence by controlling key trade routes. Between the 9th and 8th centuries, both sides established colonies, trading posts, and commercial relations in the Western Mediterranean, but the increased presence of both people led to the mounting tensions and ultimately the open conflict with Rome. Following Carthage's destruction, Rome established its first province in Africa, which was granted tax privileges and made the regional capital, subsequently becoming the leading centre of Punic trade and culture. Nearly a century after the fall of Carthage, Roman Carthage was built on the same site by Julius Caesar between 49 and 44 BC. It soon became the centre of the province of Africa, which was a major part of the Roman Empire and one of its wealthiest provinces. There are many stories and many wars in the history of Carthage, but this was a brief summary and a quick understanding of the great empire that was Carthage.